Hi everybody, welcome to Jewelturk.net Rhinoceros tutorials. Today we are going to draw a Hemstitch or Ajur style ring with Rhinoceros 4. My ring's diameter will be 17.5 millimeters. Yes, and then we can measure this length. It says that 54 millimeters, and then we can draw about 4.987 point. Yes, here is our line, and we can move about to the ground this line. Yes, we can start our ring from here. The ring bottom length width will be about 5 millimeters. This will be bottom, and this will be the center of the ring, and it can be 18 millimeters wide. And the Ajur style will start at the 7 millimeters after the bottom length. Yes, we can delete. We can select this line and we mirror this line about the right side, and then take arc, draw an arc about like this. Don't forget the open planar, of course. And then we can delete this length, select this line and mirror this line about the right side, and don't forget to flip between these two curves. We can flip about 8 millimeters like that, and then select these lines and join them, open the edit points and then select these points, move a little about the circle. Yes, here are the rings one side. Don't forget to join these lines together. Select these lines and join, and don't forget to repeat these lines because we need accurate lines to make mass modeling. Right, we can write about 15 number. Yes, it's nice, and mirror this about here. And now we are going to decide where is our design, Ajur design will start and finish. Let's draw a circle about 7 millimeters here. Put a point to here and mirror this point about here and select 2 points. Yes, draw a line between these 2 points and select this line, select offset. I will offset about 1 millimeter because it must be at least 1 millimeter in this side, right and left side, of course. And then we can select these lines, select these lines, and we are going to join our inner part of the design. Yes, here are the outer part of our ring, and this part is our design, Ajur or Hemstitch design will appear. Don't forget to draw cross-section curves. The height of our ring's bottom will be about 1.7 millimeters, and I draw 1.2 millimeter height sides, and I'm going to make an arc about these lines. Yes, we can see much bigger, and don't forget to make fit these parts because it's more nice when we fit about this, and we can fit about this 1.35 millimeters. Select these lines. This is our bottom cross section. Is it joint? Yes, it's joint. And this is the center cross section. Select This means lines. The height of our ring will be about 6.5 millimeters, and we can draw about 6.5, and we can draw about here 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters will be better. Don't forget to draw these lines, and then select arc, make an arc between these lines, and also don't forget to fillet between these lines. We can make fillet about 1 millimeters between these lines. Yes, fillet about this 1 millimeter. Unable to fillet curves. The fillet radius may be too big. There's a problem about this. But what's the problem? Let's look about this. This is one of my rail, and the other of my line is here. So they are on the same plane. In the same plane. What can I do? I can make a surface and then select these lines, not these ones. Project all of them to the surface. Select delete input, yes. Check out, yes. All the lines goes to this in the same plane. Select these lines, or select fillet about 1 millimeter. Yes, it's gonna be filleted. Be careful about the plane. The problem comes from the project where I started with project, but later I forgot to close it. What are these? The project operation deleted my rail lines, so don't forget to save every 5 minutes. Okay, dudes? Yes. And the turn came to the making the polysurface. Don't forget to offset this cross-section curve about this, and yes, select zip to rail, select these lines and this line, and then cross-section curves is this and this one. These are the bottom, and these are the center of the ring, center and the upper side of the ring. Right click and put these arrows bottom of the cross sections, because there will be nice modeling. Select mate and height. No, this is more better, and give a shade to the design. Yes, here it's our ring. Select this one and cap all the holes. Where are we? Yes. So, copy and paste this ring and change its layer to the red and hide it. Yes, and then select the ring, explode all the surfaces. It's not exploding. Yes, then we can hide. Delete the surfaces, and here are the important. Here are the design will be shot or will be decided. Select these lines and extrude it about, no, not this one. Select these lines again and extrude it. There's no need to cap because we don't need. And split this surface with this surface, because we only need the surface. Yes, here our surface. We are going to use UV map to project our design to the surface. Before this, don't forget to shrink the surface. Select the shrink the trim surface and select the surface. Press right click and the surface will shrink it. And then save it. Yes. Click the surface. But before this, I make a design with number 9 and 6. Here is number 9 and here is 6. We can see I join it and cut some of the curves. I will copy and paste this design to here. Yes, I'm going to use the design. Select the surface, select UV curve, and here our design will be placed, and I can hide these lines, and these lines also can be hid. I can change the layer to green. Green is nice, yes. And then I will put this design to the inner place of the surface. Yes, here our design, but I think there is a small a little. I aligned this design between these curves and open the perspective view. Yes, open this menu, click apply UV curves, select the blue lines and select surface. Yes, here our design will appear. We can hide these curves and we can delete the blue lines, also these lines. Show the red layer, copy and paste again and hide this one. Yes, we have got a copy of our link. Explode this link, delete these lines, this surface, not this one, this one and this one. Select the blue lines again, project it about this surface. Don't forget to click delete input yes. Right click the project command and our blue lines will be projected in this red layer. And select the red layer, click split, select all the lines except this one moment, delete this correct section and this surface. Select these lines and make a group. Okay, select the surface, select split and select all the curves, and we can delete the unnecessary surfaces and lines. I'm going to change the layer of this ring part. And here are the design. Select this one, this surface, and select solid, extrude surface and straight. I'm going to make about 1.5 millimeters below the surface. And don't forget to delete the surface. Select all the poly surfaces and hide them. Open the green layer and here are the design. Well, here this line, we need this line, yes. Select extrude this line, and for this time don't forget to cap the surfaces and boolean in about this poly surfaces, and you get to below of the ring. The parts will go below the unwanted places, so don't forget the boolean union, this one, the design part of our link, the number part we can say, or hide the green layers, yes. Select the poly surfaces and click hide, and then draw about a circle about 17.5 millimeters, and then circle about, did you remember, I don't know, 9.5 or yes. We are going to flow it. Select the poly surface and this one and move it about 8.75 millimeters to up, and open curve tool, select, adjust close curve seam, and adjust this curve seam to the below of the circle. Select the polysurfaces, open transform menu, select flow element curve, select the baseline, and select the target line. See what happens. And yes, here are the ring finished. And here our ring is finished. I hope I can explain it with my beautiful English. Have a nice day. See you again.